Welcome to Pocket Office's tutorial on connecting apps to Zapier. When you log into your Zapier account, you'll be presented with the home screen. On the left panel is the option called Apps. If you click on Apps, it will bring you to your list of connected apps. Since this is your first time setting this up, it's okay if this area is empty. In the top right of the page, you'll see a button called Add Connections. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be presented with a search box where you can find your desired apps. Let's add Gmail, for example. Go ahead and start typing in Gmail. After a few keystrokes, it should show up on the list. Let's click it. And now you'll be prompted to log into your Gmail account. This gives Zapier secure access to your Gmail. And that should do it. Zapier is now set up to send mail using your Gmail account. If you have more apps to add, just repeat these steps with a new application. Thanks for choosing Pocket Office, where we give you the freedom you desire through automation.